Good morning, everybody. It is 12:12 here in Florida, and blessings to everyone. Okay, you guys, I hope you don't miss my next videos because I want to speak some thoughts out here where King Charles, Prince Charles, is concerned. And I had 3 different sisters today. I got 3 witnesses, y'all, to a thing. And they all asked me to go watch this one video. And they wanted to know my thoughts. Well, I'm going to give you my thoughts in the next video. And I already knew, I already surmised, I already discerned what was in the video that they asked me to watch. And I'm going to give you my thoughts on that. I'm just going to let y'all know that Prince Charles, King Charles, his birthday is November 14th. He's going to be 74 years old. 70 to 80 with strength. When I heard that the Queen had passed, that he was going to be king, and I heard his age, and I went and looked up his birthday. He's going to be 74 this year, this coming month in November. That should raise your eyebrows. Anyways, I want to share this with you. This is a takeoff of a couple of videos I have recently done where our sister Gina, and God bless you, sweetheart, from Grace and Truth Ministries, and she had put out a video, y'all, a while back, and it was called Gone with the Wind. And some of you know, and some of you don't know, because you're new to my channel. Well, Gone with the Wind was a big deal for me, and maybe in another video I'll speak it out, because I don't want to make this one too long. But anyway, she put it out, and she had cattle cars in her dream. And I accidentally heard about cattle cars in Belarus, and that Russia, Putin had sent them over there in cattle cars, the military. And I went, wait, what? And it just reminded me of her dream. And I was like, oh my goodness. And as some of you know, some of you may not know, there was a sister that had a dream about NATO, and she didn't even know what NATO was. And she said when NATO gave permission, the Russians were on our shoreline. We are so out of here so soon, you guys. 70 to 80 with strength. 73 years old, going to be 74. He's going to be a king. And we know that, well, the devil likes to copy the Lord, the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. And he's behind everybody. I'm going to play a video that 3 sisters asked me to go watch. They want to know my thoughts. Well, I'm going to give my thoughts a little bit clearer in the next video. Let's take a listen to this, you guys. I just read here Iron Wolf. Let me back this up, you guys, because Sis Amanda had wolves in her dream. Hold on, y'all. This is crazy. Okay, it says NATO military exercises in Russia's neighborhood. Putin stares at exercise Iron Wolf in Lithuania. Also, her husband had Lithuania in a dream, and he was over there fighting. Well, he represents America. Oh my goodness, listen, y'all. Belarus. NATO nations have started military exercises near the borders with Belarus and Ukraine. And again, cattle cars, Belarus. Here we go. On with the wind. Wow. Oh my goodness. 14 nations. This is getting real, y'all. They're getting ready for war, y'all. And I mean big time war, not little war. They're getting ready. They're preparing. And they're doing exercises like this. And we're out of here. We're gone with the wind. Praise Jesus.